welcome to episode 9 of Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we'll be covering the essential rules for adding the perfectly pink booster deck. The primary mechanic the pink booster deck adds are the enlisted ranks. Enlisted ranks come in multiple different numbers. Here I showed the examples of E1, the lowest enlisted rank, and E6, the highest enlisted rank added in the pink booster. When you draw a rank card, it must be placed underneath a bunny as a bunny modifier. The bunny with the highest enlisted rank by number is considered the highest enlisted ranked bunny. The player with the highest enlisted ranked bunny may play an extra card per turn directly from their hand. So in this example, I could play this choose a carrot card directly from my hand. This is significantly stronger than a triplet. I could also save a special directly from my hand as though I was playing it from the top run. A bunny cannot have multiple ranks attached to it. However, when I draw another rank and my bunny already has one, I do have the option to swap them. So in this case I drew the E6 rank. I swap it out for the E1 rank, at which point the E1 rank must be attached to another bunny. In this case, my opponent's bunny is the only alternative, so it goes to him. However, it is only the highest enlisted ranked bunny that gets the benefits. So until this congenial bunny dies, the sinister bunny will not gain anything for having that rank. It is only the player with the highest that can play the cards directly from the hand. Since you are required to play the rank on a bunny when you draw the rank, even if you don't have a bunny, you may have to play it on an opponent's bunny, giving them the large benefit of having the highest enlisted ranked bunny. A unique exception is that the Heavenly Halo bunny cannot have a rank, so is not considered a viable target. Just like with misfortunes, if your only bunny is the bunny with the halo, the misfortune or the rank must go on a different bunny. I mentioned swapping ranks. It's important to note that that can only be done with your own bunnies. I do not have the option to swap ranks with the opponent's bunny, giving me the higher one. I would have had to take the rank that I drew. This has been episode 9 of Flow's Fundamentals, covering the essential mechanic of enlisted ranks. And as always, Jeff bless.